guys! Welcome back sa ating new video. New day, new blessing. Namiss ko kayo. Kamusta naman kayo? It's been, days. Siguro 1 week, more than 1 week na ata akong hindi nag-vlog. Life update lang. Okay naman kami ni Mr. We're okay. Salamat sa mga nag-message sa amin ni Mr. Ben, kulangot ba yung lumalabas sa ilong ko? No? Nag-worry kung kamusta na kami. Bakit wala kaming vlog for the past few days? Kasi it's first time na wala kaming vlog ng more than a week, guys. The reason is, wala namang nangyari. It's just, I'm not really in the mood na mag-vlog. Siguro sabi ko, it's time na magpahinga muna ng very, very saglit. Wala lang din naman ganap. Dito lang din ako always sa bahay. Dito lang ako nakahiga. Dito lang ako, beauty rest lang ako talaga dito kahit wala namang beauty. And siguro dala na din ng pagbubuntis. Kaya siguro tinatamad ako mag-vlog. Kaya sabi ko mag-rest muna ako ng very, very light. No? Mag-recharge muna ako habang wala pa tayong mga content na ginagawa. So, salamat sa mga nag-worry sa amin ni Mr. sa akin. Yung iba iniisip kung nanganak na ba daw ako. May nag-message kung nanganak na ba daw ako. Kaya hindi ako nag-vlog. Yun yung akala nyo. Natawa na lang talaga ako. Pero I'm okay, guys. Hindi pa ako nanganak. Buntis pa din ako. I'm still preggy.
Oh, hello everyone. It's been ages since we've done a vlog, isn't it? How long? 1 week?
More than a week maybe. Someone already messages us how are we. They are worried why we don't upload vlogs.
Yeah. Sorry guys, we've been focusing on the Facebook recently.
And then I'm not, I'm lazy to make content lately because maybe of my pregnancy.
We haven't been doing that much.
Other people message me if I'm already give birth.
Really?
Yeah. Because it's like a first time that we didn't upload for like weeks.
Because we focused on our Facebook page, and then last week of the month we have nothing to do.
Yeah, so if we don't upload vlogs here in YouTube, you can check out our Facebook. Kasi doon gumagawa ako ng mini vlog doon and mini vlog lang naman kasi siya. So, mga maiksing video lang. So, yun yung ginagawa ko lately. Doon ako nag-upload sa aming Facebook page.
We're still waiting for the baby to be born.
Yeah.
So, we can't do much until the baby is born. Isn't it?
Hindi kami yung gumagala masyado ni Mr. kasi nga 3rd trimester na ako, guys.
29 weeks?
Almost.
It is 29 weeks, isn't it?
28 pa lang.
Oh, 29 weeks this week in 2 days.
So I'm already a 3rd trimester. So
technically it could be 10 or 11 weeks to go. It's gonna go slow now because it's almost there.
Almost there. Your time is almost up, Cameron, being a single.
But don't come too early.
My love, your time is almost up, being a single and nothing coming back anymore.
What do you mean?
You can't go back anymore once I'm already give birth because you're really a father.
Yeah.
You can't erase that status anymore.
Daddy cam.
Yeah. So right now, mga Mars, I am getting ready to where we're gonna go.
Let's go to the bank, get money.
Punta kami ng
And then we need to take Maverick.
Bangko,
and then we need to buy 1 sack of rice because we have no rice left. Oh, the rice lasted exactly 1 month.
Yeah.
So that's good. So we need to buy more rice, and then we need to take Maverick to the vet to have his
vaccine. Maverick, sit. Are you ready for your bed?
Ready?
Are you ready?
He doesn't know what he's getting.
Yeah.
Are you ready for pain?
He thinks we're gonna go in the beach, but in reality, we're gonna go sa... So, mga Mars, alis na tayo. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-makeup kasi ngayon lang ulit ako nakalabas ng bahay. Diyos ko, day. Lagi na lang tayong bangag, mukhang bangag. Maihi mo na ako. Lagi na lang tayong mukhang bangag every single day. Kasi dito lang tayo sa bahay. Wala akong gana mag-ayos-ayos pa. Alis na tayo, guys. Sa US Maverick. His favorite spot. So, first stop mga mare, dito muna sa bangko kasi nga mag-withdraw lang si Mister kasi wala kaming cash. And then, andyan lang naman yung vet ko sa kabila. Thanks for Maverick, di na ito mapakali. Sit lang and wait, daddy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, good boy. May ano for sa Facebook doc 400k. Sa YouTube 300k. Sit lang ikaw. Sit lang. Sit. Maverick, sit. Sit lang. Nahirapan na si Cameron kay Maverick kasi sobrang hyper rin. Sobrang lakas. Bahay na kami, guys. And then, pinakain ko lang si Maverick. Pumili lang ako ng kasi hindi pa siya kumain. Pero normally hindi naman siya kumakain ng maaga. Kinakain niya yung pagkain niya mga around lunchtime na. Ewan ko baka wala siyang gana. Twice a day na lang yan kumakain si Maverick. Which is good kasi nga yung pagkain niya is mahal din naman. No? No? Huh? So, twice a day na lang siya. So, pinakain ko na siya. Maya pa yan kakain. Hinahayaan ko lang yan siya na nakain niya yung kanyang pagkain. Kasi kapag nagugutom siya, kinakain naman niya eh. Yeah. And then also, binilhan ko siya ng vitamins. Mab. Yan. Vitamins, oh. Bumili ako ng syringe para sa kanyang vitamins. Damn.
We're always fighting about eating. Where you want to eat?
It's up to you because you're the one who have, you are the one who have pregnancy craving.
I don't have any cravings today.
Inasal.
Okay then.
What can you say, my love, that Maverick is really heavy?
I already know it's really heavy because it's me carrying him all the time. Upstairs, downstairs.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, not that upstairs, downstairs always.
Yeah. Because, he doesn't know how to get down.
It's just too steep.
Yeah. Hindi siya marunong, guys, magbaba. Hindi siya marunong magbaba dyan sa hagdanan namin kasi nga masyadong stiff yung hagdanan namin. Pero marunong siya umakyat. Yung pababa lang talaga. Kaya si Cameron, laging that's why maybe you still have like even you don't go gym. Because that's your weights. Is it weights? Maverick is your weights. So, ayun guys, punta lang kami ng Mang Inasal. Gonna eat there because it's late now. And I've been craving Mang Inasal. This time, it's my, because Cameron always, siya na lang, he always choose it.
I choose the easy places
Ewan
to go
ko, baka
because
siya
I'm driving.
Maybe he's the one who's really, have a pregnancy craving, guys.
No.
Biruin nyo ba naman sa tuwing umaalis kami, siya lagi nasusunod. He's always the one who choose where we eat.
Might be off.
And then he's like, cake. Ay, minsan dalawang cake yung kinakain niya. Guys, dito na kami sa Mang Inasal and sobrang daming tao. Because it's lunchtime. Yes, dito na pala kami sa bahay ni Mr. Yan. Higa na naman kami kasi wala na naman magawa. There's nothing, you know, can do again. There's nothing, you know, ganap again. There's nothing to do anymore.
I charged my battery.
Yeah, he charged his battery kasi ito, nakalimutan na naman niyang i-off yung motor niya. He always forgot it. If it's not light, it's his motorbike.
Yeah.
Kung ba parang nangyari
Well, luckily it's not my car. Imagine I didn't tell us in hello, my car.
Yeah, you forgot to turn off also your...
We're gonna drive home.
So, ayun nga guys, hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina sa Mang Inasal kasi nga we're really hungry. So, I forgot to film. And, nakafocus na lang talaga ako sa sa pagkain guys. Kasi gutom na kami kanina ni Mr. Kalimutan ko kasi nga, nag-film din ako sa mini vlog ko. So, dalawa, kaliwaan talaga yung aking ginagawa guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Higa, mag-ano muna ako. Inaantok na naman ako. Basta busog ako, inaantok na naman ako. Tapos kagabi umiyak ako. Alam niyo ba, umiyak ako kagabi mga Mars. Kasi nga wala lang, I'm just so really sad. Kapag buntis ka, yung emotion mo, very unpredictable talaga. Bukas, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari sa'yo. Kung masaya ka ba, o malungkot ka ba, or magalit ka ba. Pero usually, galit talaga ako, lalo na kay Mr. Usually, I'm mad. My emotion.
Why? When?
To you.
When?
Always, all the time.
No, not really.
Lagi niya kasi akong ginagalit, guys. I don't know if he's doing it purpose. On purpose.
You're doing it on purpose.
He's doing it on purpose.
You're doing it on purpose. I'm just making you annoyed on purpose so the baby can look like me. And not know anyone else.
How did you know that? That's what they said.
Yeah.
Mga Mars, hapon na naman. And I don't know what to cook. But Cameron is requesting for pork chop. Pork chop.
The rice, so.
Nagluto na siya ng
rice cooker.
Nakalimutan namin pakita sa inyo guys. Bumili pala kami last
pressure
time
cooker.
ng pressure cooker. That's a gift from
non-stick.
USA. Well, pressure cooker siya, but you can cook rice there.
It has a rice option.
Yeah, so dyan nagluluto si Camilo ng rice. So, meron na tayong rice kasi nakapagsaing na si Mr. And then, wala na tayong hugasan dito. Hugasan ni Cameron kasi kakagising ko lang guys. Inaantay ko lang na mag-thaw yung ni Maverick guys, ni Cameron, yung kanyang dinner na pork. Grabe na talaga yung manasang itsura ko guys. Okay lang yan, bawi lang tayo sa bawi na lang tayo kapag nanganak tayo guys. Sobrang bigat ng tiyan ko, as in talaga. Inihingal na minsan nga lang ako, liso sa kabila. Pag gabi, hihingalin ka talaga. Ang hirap panay. Tapos grabe na talaga yung yung hindi ako makatulog sa gabi agad-agad. Mga ilang siguro mga 100 times na left and right. Ang sakit na ng likod ko talaga kasi nga kapag naghiga, gusto kong mahiga ng straight.
Do you feel more lazy now you're pregnant? Really? Unmotivated?
Yeah, I'm unmotivated talaga. That's why we don't have vlog. And then my back is really hurt. So I really want to sleep on my back, but I can't. It's not allowed.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
to sleep on your side?
Yeah, only side. Usually left side. So sobrang sakit ng likod ko guys. Gusto kong maghiga talaga ng straight talaga. But I'm not allowed to. Yeah, and that's why I always lutang. Puyat talaga ako everyday.
3 months to go. Can't wait. Can you wait?
Feeling ko it's either end of October or first week of November ako magnganak. So
3 more months and it's free.
yeah, so
Your body will be free of pain. Hopefully.
so yun guys. How many potato you want? 3? 3. Kasi
3 carrots for the next day as well.
for Maverick?
Huh?
For Maverick?
Skip 3. So we have one for tomorrow.
Hindi para pwede dyan ng ano, saging. Yeah, get me one. Just pull it. Yeah. And carrots? Yes? Yay! Mama got the carrots! Okay, let's wash it first.
Okay. Sit.
His favorite.
Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Ang pinaka-paborito niya sa lahat. Carrots. You pull it, you peel it ng it's really gabi na talaga guys. Pag ganun-ganun na nga ako maglakad Buti na lang talaga hindi ako minamanas guys. Kasi merong iba nakakilala ko na mas ano pa sa akin, mas early, mas 5 months pa lang ata minamanas na. Other pregnant pala, their skin is getting swollen, even their feet.
Really?
Yeah. So yung akin, sumama na lang pala ako kanina kay Mister kasi nga baka kung hindi niya mabili yung gusto ko. Ito yung pinabili ko sa kanya dapat and mag-e-egg lang ako. Pero naisip ko na parang gusto ko mag-tosino na lang kasi may chorizo kasi dito. So parang gusto ko yan na lang yung ulamin ko para wala na masyadong cheche boreche. Ang ano na ako hindi naghuhugas guys, nakakapanibago. Ilang ano na ako na hindi naghuhugas ng plato kasi si Cameron na talaga gumagawa lahat ng mostly ng gawaing bahay. Season ko lang tong pork chop niya guys. Sa asin and paminta, yan lang. And then, iluto ko siya sa butter. Simpleng hapunan lang yan ni Mister, mga Marsh. Si Maverick nagmumukbang pa din ng kanyang carrots. So, nasiso na natin. Hayaan na lang muna natin yan manuot ang lasa ng siniso natin. Simplihan lang natin. Siguro yung lutuin ko na lang is chorizo na lang. Pumunta pa ako ng tindahan para bumili nito ng fresh milk. Kasi kailangan ko to sa mashed potato ni Cameron. And then piprituhin ko na rin itong kanyang baboy. Ay, nako, ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap magyuko. I think luto na rin yung aking mashed potato. Yung boiled potatoes. So, we need butter. Butter. Lagyan ko lang ng butter, guys. Para malinamnam ang ating baboy. Tapos ilagay na natin yung baboy natin. Hindi pa pala. Excited yan. Ayan na. Ganun pa din naman yan. Luto na yung ating patatas. Imamash natin to guys. Ang ating patatas. Wala akong pang mash. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Guys, alis muna kami guys. Mr. Kasi he's craving. Ay naku, iba talaga
pancakes for tomorrow. English pancakes. I'm gonna let everyone try it and they better like it.